Yes, there were a few new things to me, like I told you, those two. And also, in this container, I have products from the brand Ziaja, which I purchased while I was in Europe. So yes, I have variety of items. Some of them are bought in the local supermarkets. The rest in a freestanding store while I was in a mall. In fact, you can buy this brand here in the States, but on their website, it's a limited amount of products if you're gonna compare to the variety which you have in Europe. So yes, while I was there, I decided to, let's call it, I did some damage to my wallet. Do I really need to? No, but since I was over there, it was easier for me to buy it, especially that with the tariffs, everything's gonna go up. So I rather buy it while it's cheaper. Also, I have a space in my luggage. At the same time, I don't know when is the next time when I'm gonna go over there. Let me undo. Yeah, let me start with this. First one are the deodorants. It's blocker antiperspirant. No, I didn't have this one in the past, so this is something new. Besides this, I have one more. You know what, we just put it down because it's a little bit heavy. So one is antiperspirant in cream, and the other one's just antiperspirant. I don't know what's the difference. Come on. Yeah, they're both in a roll-on. Okay, so to be find out, then two creams, or I should say the same cream but in two jars. It's cream for mature skin, anti-aging with coenzyme Q10 and vitamin E. Even though it says mature skin, I chose because of the Q10 and vitamin E. I use those two items separate, and those are wonderful ingredients. In fact, right now I'm using Palmer's vitamin E face cream, and it is quite good. If you do watch my videos, you know that I enjoy the CoQ10 serums. And what does it do? Eliminates first, I know, aging signs. It regenerates at night, smooths wrinkles. It's nourishing, hydrates. Okay, it's 1.7 ounce, 50 ml. So I grabbed two of those because it is a quite small size. And besides Q10 and vitamin E, no, you cannot go wrong with it. So yes, I did. On one side, I took a risk, but on the other side, come on, why not? For a few dollars, you cannot really beat it. Then avocado cream, which I have in the past. By the way, that's the size which I purchased over there. But here in the States, that's the size which you can buy it. So yes, 1.7 ounce, 2.5. You know, I'm gonna go for the bigger one. And this is like, it's a moisturizer for a tired skin. In fact, it's a little bit heavy and oily in texture. So in case if my skin needs something, or maybe I overdose retinols or some pills, this is wonderful. Also with the crazy weather and the wind bursts, regenerating with natural avocado oil, intense hydrations. It's good for the hydrated skin and I don't know how you call it, when it's really okay, when your skin is so dry that it feels like you have that fish skin, you have to yeah, so that's what it is. It gets back relaxed, healthy and natural look. It hydrates your skin by 49%. I bought one. Yes, I could purchase most. I could. I went with one. However, I still have couple, I think one or two jars in my skincare stash, so I don't want to go crazy. But since I saw it, I decided to buy it. Then another product is their micellar cleanser. I have two. One I purchased in the supermarket, and the second one I received as a free gift when I was in the Ziaja freestanding store. Yes, I did spend quite a bit of money, so the sales associate, she gave me few items, I assume as a free gift. So that was one of those items, and yes, I end up with two of those. How does it work? No idea, because I didn't try it, but it's micellar water, so obviously I'm gonna be removing my makeup with it, and yes, I'm gonna report to you about how does this product works later on in the future. Another free item was the wash for the female parts. So now another free gift was the wash for the female parts, so to be find out. Then I have another, no, it's gonna be what? Makeup remover for dry and normal skin, but this one, it's a milk and comes with a little manual. Here we go. So to be find out, like the micellar water, it's a liquid. This is like a milk, and it's gonna be bad comparison. But when you have the balm cleansers, you're gonna put them on, add water, and then either use water or take care of with muslin cloth. This I'm gonna use it similarly. Put this one on, massage it, and then take care of, and afterwards follow with another cleanser from the same line as the avocado. I have their hand cream, which is wonderful, regenerating for dry and damaged skin. Here we go. It's good for dehydrated. If you're familiar with the Oak Heifer's hand cream, this is gonna work similarly, except it comes in a tube and it's a 3.4 ounces. Cream, which I purchased in the past here in the States, was their remodeling cream for mature skin. And even though it says it's for really mature skin, because it says it's 60, but this one, if memory serves me right, has peptides or something. It has glycerin, it has tripeptide, paraffin, beeswax, castor oil. Even though this product is marketed to another age range, skin range, whatever it's inside, it's great. So like, I do enjoy this one. This is wonderful as well. However, it only comes in a small size, like the one which I showed you previously. This product has hyaluronic acid, peptides, collagen, and saffron. Yeah, I will have to read about it, but I do like what it does to my skin. It gives you that immediate hydration and your skin looks really good. Okay, yeah. I still have few more items left. Majority of them are from the goat milk range, which I do like, and most of the time it's one of those staples which I always repurchase either here or in Europe. So let me start with their face creams. Okay, I have their day and night cream. The one with one goat is for the day, the one with the two goats is for the night. The day cream, dry skin. Yeah, so hydrating for dry skin, wrinkle preventative. And then the night one, it's smoothing but also rich. Here we go. It's enrich, smoothing for dry and preventative skin. So yes, I have day and night. So I have one set, and then I have one more. So yes, I do end up with some. Then from the same line, I have their moisturizer with SPF 20. Yeah, 20. I bought this one. Yes, I think I still have one or two backups, but I'm about to run out, so I purchased this. The texture of it, it's a little bit thicker So it's like, where's my avocado cream? Like that one, it's, let's call it oily and heavy. This is on the same line because it has mineral oil. But if your skin is really dry, this is wonderful. And even though the SPF is not high, guess what? It's better than nothing. I do like it because it gives me that sleep, which is great before I'm gonna apply my makeup. So yes, I have 3 of those. So it's concentrated, hydrating, SPF 20, medium, let's call it coverage, so it's like the medium SPF, dry skin, let's call it anti-wrinkle. Then, okay, yeah, that was something new. I think that was one of the new things in the line. So it's foot cream and hand cream. Let me start with this one with 15% urea. It's for very dry skin, rough, broken, the one which needs intense regeneration, and it's even good for diabetics. And then the hand cream comes in the same package. So this is 10% urea, hydrating, soothes, smooths, regenerates. So to be fine down pouches, because this was something new to me, especially now that summertime is coming. Yes, I do want to take care of my feet and hands. You always need a hand cream. And by the way, when I was in their store, there were things which I didn't even knew there existed. And the nice thing, they always bring something new. And another good thing is that they're really affordable. Their products are widely researched, they have good ingredients, but they're still affordable. The gentleman who started the brand, yes, his name was Ziaja, and he was a pharmacist. However, he couldn't understand why for certain products you need to spend so much money. So he decided to come up with his own brand, and for a reasonable price, he was making good products. And because the products were so good, the brand became really, really popular. And you can easily find those products in many countries in Europe and also in here. So yes, there were a few new things to me, like I told you, those two. And also, they have BB cream, which I didn't even know they do have it. That's their BB cream for normal, dry and sensitive skin, SPF 50. It's a natural shade. They did have a few colors, and it was hard for me to choose, so I think I just went for the I bought this product based on the color on the back, so yes, that was a risky choice. Then this was another freebie. That's the toothpaste without fluor, eucalyptus mint. Yeah, we should see about this one. And then we have more one more product, SPF, or I should say their sunblock. I did purchase one last time, and they have 2 versions, one which was mattifying and the other hydrating. So if memory serves me right, I did bought the hydrating one, and the texture of it, it's really nice. If you're familiar with the Korean sunscreen, that's the texture of it. So that's the second one, which is mattifying, and it says for oily mixture combination, and the one which is, and for blemished skin, SPF 50, high protection. It comes with a tube. I still have the other one, which is hydrating, so I will have to put this one to the side. But yes, I did took my chances. Okay, what else we have? Four more items left. Let me just go and grab it. Next item is the eye cream from the goat milk line, which comes in a tube and it provides hydration. It's a simple eye cream. it's good if you, let's say you have when you don't have any expectations from eye cream, but you still want to hydrate your skin, so this is something to look into it. Also, during the day when you feel your skin is really dry and you want to reapply it, yes, that's the one to go for. And what do you do? Here we go. It nourishes, hydrates, smooths. Yeah, apparently it smooths the little wrinkles, but at the same time, like if your skin is hydrated, those little lines naturally is gonna kind of disappear. Light, non-smelly, so no scent, eye cream for delicate skin under your eyes. So that's one which I have. I think I have one more. Where are you? Yes, so I have two of those. And something which I purchased as well was their ultralight anti-age hydrating energizing with UVA, UVB, SPF 15. So I think that's gonna be a sunscreen. Oh, it's light. So okay, so it's a moisturizer. Okay, so let's say like, where are you at? Like this one, okay, this is both of them, it's a moisturizer, but this is like, let's call it heavy duty moisturizer, which you have to work in order to, let's say, smear it on your skin. This is gonna be more like a lotion. So I would say it's gonna be perfect for those hot summer days where there's a lot of humidity, and even though it's so hot, you still want to hydrate your skin and give it a little bit of protection. So yes, this I will have to report it back to you, but if memory serves me right, I did have kind of something similar to it. Those were all the Ziaja products which I purchased. In fact, I'm gonna link some of the videos which I did in the past about the brand. Let me know if you try anything from them and what are the items which you will recommend. By the way, now I have to put everything back because it's a little bit messy in here, but also, let me show you. I have more items from another brand, but that's gonna be part 2, and I see you next time. Bye.